top focus continues to remain on Uttarakhand. Monsoon furies continue to wreak havoc in Uttarakhand. Ongi Road toward Bhatwari village is on the verge of collapse. Around 150 meters of the road has been washed away near Bhatwari, cutting off access. Vehicles have been stuck in the debris ahead of Plazda Chowki near Plazda amid continuous heavy rainfall in the area as well. Rescue teams of the ITBP, SDRF and NDRF as well as ambulances are stranded with contact, likely to be lost at any moment. Disaster struck the Himalayan village of Darali and Sukhi in Uttarakhand on Wednesday. This is when a devastating cloudburst led to the flash floods and landslides, sweeping away homes, hotels and lives. Large-scale rescue operations are currently underway on a war footing. We are bringing you the visuals coming in from different sources, currently being played on your screen.
झील बन जाएगा अब झील रुक जा मेरे को फोन करना पड़ेगा.
Like I said before, large-scale rescue operations are currently underway on a war footing. On the right side of your screen, you are looking at our forces trying to save people, trying to rescue them, saving them from the situation of distress. It's a joint effort of ITBP, SDRF and NDRF. Multiple ambulances have been deployed. Indian Air Force is also on standby. On the left side of your screen, you're looking at the visual of a vehicle, a car being swept away in the heavy current of flash flood. State Emergency Operations Center has requested the Indian Air Force to deploy 2 Mi helicopters and 1 Chinook helicopter. 2 helicopters of the UCADA are also ready for rescue operations. Now on your screens, visuals coming in from Uttarkashi, showing you the moment when disaster struck the residential area, sweeping away multiple buildings, including houses, hotels. At Kheergarh near Darali, Colonel Harshvardhan of the Indian Army is personally leading 150 Indian Army personnel in critical rescue efforts, even as their own unit remains cut off and around 10 soldiers are feared missing. Mudslide has also happened. These are the visuals coming in from Darali. Darali saw a significant amount of damage because of the mudslide and flash floods. You can see the structures submerged in debris, stuck in debris. We've also been given to understand that it's a first of its kind move. The National Disaster Response Force has deployed cadaver dogs to the Uttarkashi cloudburst site. These specially trained dogs are being airlifted from Delhi to help locate bodies trapped beneath mud and debris, offering closure to families still searching for their loved ones. Now these are the visuals coming in from Harsil that has also seen a significant amount of damage. You can see the debris, a huge amount of sludge over there. It's an army camp. It has completely been destroyed.
सर कितने बड़े बड़े देखो तो यार कितने बड़े बड़े बोल्डर है वो 10 कुंटल क्या है हजारों कुंटल के होंगे.
More visuals coming in from Darali, from different part of it. This is the exact moment when the damage was caused due to flash flooding. You can see and sense the intensity of the flash flood that has struck the area. You can see the structures also collapsing because of the force of water. Residents running for their life to save themselves. Complete sense of panic spread across the people living in the area. structures completely damaged. You can see the buildings falling as well. So far, unfortunately, 4 deaths have been confirmed, while 130 have been rescued, with many still fear to be trapped when flash floods tore through Darali, sweeping away multiple homes, vehicles, and also trees. Not only human life, but the livestock also saw significant loss. These are the visuals coming in from Tehri Garhwal. Vehicles got stranded there in the mud. You can see through the visuals the car completely stuck in the debris. On the other side of your road, you can see JCBs coming in, the machinery being brought in to clear the debris, to help the man who got stuck there along with his vehicle in any way possible. This is the situation at the moment in multiple parts of Uttarakhand. These are the visuals coming in from Tehri Garhwal. More mudsliding, more landsliding. Roads stuck because of the landslide. Big rocks there on the roads, stopping the access and commute, making the rescue operations even more difficult. Now, we have also been given to understand that the SDRF is also on ground, while paramedics and advanced rescue squads are set to join very soon. In view of the ongoing crisis, the state government has ordered all the schools and Anganwadi centers shut across Almora, Pithoragarh, Chamoli and Rudraprayag. And on the Haridwar-Dehradun rail route, a boulder blocked tracks near Motichur, but thanks to protective structures by Northern Railway, no casualty occurred. Big breaking news coming in. The emergency helpline numbers are out. We are flashing it for the viewers on their screens. You can dial these numbers if any of your loved ones, any of your acquaintances got stuck there in Uttarakhand. If you need any kind of help,
टावर तो खैर इधर हैं, वो है उधर उधर से गए जो
a part of road has been swept away. This is a result of the continuous downpour there in Uttarakhand, also the flash floods which were triggered by a massive cloudburst. These are the visuals coming in from Darali. These are the early morning visuals that we have picked up from our sources in Darali. This is the condition of the road. This is what structure is looking like at the moment. Part of it completely swept away in the water current. All the possible efforts are currently underway. Whatever can be done in the distressing situation. A lot of pressure to save those who are still feared to be trapped. 4 unfortunately lost their lives. 130 rescued so far. Restoration work is now underway. As you can see, the heavy machinery has been brought in. You see the NDRF, SDRF personnel also there on ground. More visuals coming in from Darali. You can see a man struggling through the mud. He got trapped there. He's running out of it for his life. Viewers, it was not a single cloud burst. What we've been given to understand, it was two. It was twin cloud burst that triggered this massive flash flood that damaged several areas in Uttarkashi. Parts of it, multiple in number. Rescue teams are constantly battling
बड़े बड़े देखो तो यार, कितने बड़े बड़े बोल्डर है वो।
the damages that have been caused.
10 कुंटल क्या है? हजारों
These are the visuals coming in of an army camp from Harshil, completely destroyed. Shops stuck in debris. Heavy amount of mud accumulated over there.
ओ भाई पत्थर कितने बड़े बड़े देखो तो यार।
A region battered by rain, a rescue effort racing against time, and the resilience of India's forces once again
10 कुंटल
on
क्या है?
full
हजारों
display
कुंटल
over
के
here.
होंगे।
Prime Minister Modi, Union Ministers Amit Shah and Rajnath Singh have assured all kind of help in such situation. It continues to remain dire for those who are living in Uttarakhand. Prime Minister said no stone is being left unturned and rescue efforts are underway on a war footing. Union Home Minister Amit Shah also dialed State's Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami to take cognizance of the situation, try to understand the rescue efforts that the state government has put in. Also assured all kind of support coming in from the union government.
पत्थर कितने बड़े बड़े देखो तो यार।
Joint rescue efforts currently underway by ITBP, NDRF, SDRF, other emergency teams. Ambulances have been deployed. Indian Armed Force, in fact, Indian Air Force has been on alert, on standby. Choppers have been called in. Schools and Anganwadi centers
कितने बड़े बड़े
going to remain shut across Almora, Pithoragarh, Chamoli and Rudraprayag, considering the amount of rain, the amount of downpour, also the destruction that has been caused. We've got you some latest visuals coming in from Uttarkashi on the left side of your screen. We are showing you more visuals of the damage that has been caused to the roads, bringing the life to a standstill at the moment. Commute is almost impossible there. You can see why so, looking at the condition of the roads at the moment.
कुंटल क्या है? हजारों कुंटल के
It also makes the commute of ambulances to the area extremely difficult. Paramedics are also there on ground. Advanced rescue squads are also there on ground. This is the exact moment.
बेटा ये क्या आ रहा भाई?
You can see this is the result of twin cloud burst. You can sense the intensity of that flash flood. You can sense the intensity of damage that might have been caused because of it. You can sense the danger that the people have been living under.
बेटा ये क्या आ रहा भाई?
Restoration work currently underway to bring back normalcy to the people of Uttarkashi as soon as possible. But IMD has issued a warning of heavy rainfall for the area till 10th of August.
अरे वहाँ झील बन जाएगा झील।
These are the visuals coming in from Sukhi.
बेटा ये क्या आ रहा भाई? अरे बाप रे।
Again, we are playing the videos that we have collected from Harsil.
अरे वहाँ झील बन
This is the different angle.
रुक जा मेरे को फोन करना पड़ेगा।
My colleague Puneet is currently there on ground, bringing you the report straight from ground zero. Let's listen in.
उत्तरकाशी के धराली में जबरदस्त क्लाउड बस्ट हुआ है जिसमें 4 लोग मारे गए हैं और 50 से ज्यादा लोग लापता हैं। जो मौसम विभाग ने है उसने चेतावनी जारी की है कि उत्तराखंड के 5 जिलों में लगातार मूसलाधार बारिश होगी, कई जगह लैंडस्लाइड होगा। इस वक्त हम उत्तरकाशी से 20 किलोमीटर पहले नालूपानी इलाके में खड़े हैं और आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर अभी थोड़ी देर पहले लैंडस्लाइड हुआ। ये जो पहाड़ है ये अचानक भरभरा कर हमारी गाड़ी से बिल्कुल 20 फीट पहले यहाँ पर पूरे बीच सड़क पर आकर के गिरा। बड़े बड़े पत्थर हैं, होल्डर हैं ये, और ऋषिकेश से उत्तरकाशी के इस रास्ते के बीच में कम से कम 7 से 8 जगह ऐसी आप देख सकते हैं। इस तरीके से जो बड़े बड़े पत्थर हैं वो लगातार नीचे आ रहे हैं, जो काफी ज्यादा खतरनाक है, गाड़ियों पर गिर सकते हैं। और इस तरीके से जो लैंडस्लाइड है वो लगातार उत्तरकाशी के अलग अलग इलाकों में फिलहाल हो रहे हैं। आलम यह है कि कई रास्ते पूरी तरीके से बंद हो गए हैं। भटवाड़ी के पास जो लगभग 100 मीटर का एरिया है वो भी पूरी तरीके से बह गया है। और उससे पहले भी एक जगह पर वहां पर भी जो सड़क है वो पूरी तरीके से धंस रही है, गाड़ियों का आवागमन रोक दिया गया। और यही वजह है कि धराली ग्राउंड जीरो पर एनडीआरएफ, एसडीआरएफ और आईटीबीपी को पहुंचने में काफी ज्यादा दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है, क्योंकि कई जगह ऐसी हैं जहां पर पूरी तरीके से लैंडस्लाइड हुआ है, रास्ता पूरी तरीके से बंद हो गया है। नरेंद्र नगर में भी जो है इसी तरीके से पहाड़ गिरा था, जिसको जेसीबी की मदद से आधी रात में हटाया गया, और वहां पर भी एनडीआरएफ और एसडीआरएफ, आईटीबीपी की टीमें फंसी हुई थी। तो फिलहाल उत्तरकाशी के पूरे इलाके में लैंडस्लाइड का दौर लगातार जारी है। पूरी रात इसी तरीके से मूसलाधार बारिश होती रही है, इस वक्त भी बारिश हो रही है, और इस वजह से जो पहाड़ हैं वो खिसक रहे हैं, जो लैंडस्लाइड है वो हो रही है, रास्ते बंद हो रहे हैं। और इसीलिए ग्राउंड जीरो पर रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन चलाने में सेना को, एनडीआरएफ को, एसडीआरएफ को तमाम दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है, वो ग्राउंड जीरो पर नहीं पहुंच पा रहे हैं। तो उत्तराखंड के लिए ये बड़ी आपदा है। जिस तरीके से धराली में बड़ा क्लाउड बस्ट हुआ, तमाम दुकानें, होटल, घर, होम स्टे ये सब बह गए, गाड़ियां बह गई, लोग बह गए, कई लोग मारे गए। अभी भी जो लोग लापता हैं उनको ढूंढने के लिए सर्च ऑपरेशन चलाने के लिए कोशिश की जा रही है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं मौसम और लैंडस्लाइड इसके बीच में बाधा बने हुए हैं।